This is the Excelsiola Art Van Damme model, kind of a famous model. Art Van Damme was a famous jazz accordion player. This accordion has 3 reeds. It's 2 low reeds. One of the low reeds is in the tone chamber, as marked L, or pardon me, LC. C is for chamber. And the other low reed is out of the tone chamber, just marked L. That's in, or that's out. That's in. That's out. There we go. And then there's also a mute. You get them both. Okay. So, both of those, and then there's a middle. The other unique thing about this accordion is the range. So, many accordions go down to low F. This one only goes down to G because it's sort of made to play mostly on the bassoons. And it goes from G all the way up to a high C, whereas most full range accordions only go to an A. So you have a few more notes. It's 42 piano keys on it, 120 basses, some nice single reed up here. Let's see, get that, yeah. And then next. And next. And finally. Now we'll go to just middle.